So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my salted egg. So this is how I make my salted egg. So I have like a little saucer there. I'm just going to use a little bit of onion and tomato. Well, some people only use tomato, but I like mine with a little bit of onion. And then this is our salted egg. As you can see, I already ate 2. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna eat 2 right now. Let me put this aside for a while. So it's wrapped with red plastic, so I'm just gonna chop it straight like this, and yes, like that, and then just hit it like that, so the inside looks like this. Alright, this is cooked salted duck egg, and it's white inside. Usually in the Philippines, this is colored or dyed with red. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to scoop it out of the shell. Now we're gonna squish it and just chop it into pieces with our spoon. Now we are gonna chop our tomato. I don't use that. I'm gonna put just a piece of it, that much. Okay, I have an onion, tomato, and some, you can see the salted egg there. I'm gonna have a little drizzle of vinegar, just a little drizzle. That's it. I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper, and then you have to mix it. So this is how I prepare my salted egg, because if you eat it as it is, just the egg, it's salty. So yeah, that's the finished product, and that's how I make my salted egg. I do hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog.